Okay guys, nandito ako ulit si pareng Roger. Samahan niyo ako mag-unpack ng Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flames. Let's go! You can keep talking. It's okay. Do you have anything to say? No. Oh. Alright, so 4 booster packs. Let's go! Okay guys, so itong anak ko munang mag-unpack. Tutulungan niya ako. Let's go! You can open it any way you want. You got it? No? Do you need my help? You need my help? Alright, wait.
It looks like I have big hands.
That's natural. That's okay. Okay. Let's go. Oh, open mo na. Tinulungan ko na siya mag-open. Ano kaya makakuha natin dyan? Okay, do you really want to do that right now?
No.
You're separating it. Iyan mo ng konti. Yung sa middle para kita. Fix your hands. Yeah. Wiggly. Just do it more like this. There you go. Wait, is that's reverse solo, right? I think that's a
Yeah.
reverse solo. Can I see? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys! Wigglytuff! Oh my! Oh, swerte, swerte mo. Oh, this I think that now this is this one's a holo rare. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And that thing, and that thing, and that thing. Wigglytuff. What's this? The gold star is like an AR, I think.
Yes, like all gold.
Yeah, like a art rare. I'm not sure. Check ko. Wait. Okay, so for the first booster pack, nakakuha kami ng Wigglytuff, and I think it's art rare, no? Just correct
Full
me if
art.
yeah, I think it's full art rare or yeah. So ito si Ambipom, reverse holo and holo rare. Di ko alam pronounce, but yun. Magano tayo? Second booster pack. Okay, second booster pack at binuksan ko na yun actually. Okay na. Open, 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 open. Let's see. You show the cards. Oh, just fix it. Yeah. It should be like a surprise. Krokorok, Lombre, Trapinch, Zigzagoon. Who's that? Eternatus. Dizzying Valley. Yeah, okay. What's that? I think that's let me see. Looks like a holo rare. I think
Shiny.
reverse, I think. Yeah, it's shiny. That one also. And a reverse. Reverse and a holo rare. Yeah, that's it.
Energy.
Yep.
This is
Okay guys, so third booster pack at ginunting ko na lang. Masyadong solid yung ano eh. Hirap book yun. Ayan. Let's go! Bronzor. Di ko kalala yan. Si Dugong. Ghastly. Oh wow, I'm gonna keep this one. Mimikyu. You want this card? I'm gonna keep this.
Oh, I could see a shiny. Or a
You saw shine.
I saw like a reverse.
Did we get this Bronzong? I think we got this. Did we get this one?
I could see something like glowing.
Darmanitan. Darmanitan.
I could see something shiny blue.
Paldean Taurus.
I could see shiny blue. Yo.
This is di ba tama? Reverse holo pag ganito. Yeah, so say Viper.
See?
Battle Cage. It's a reverse.
Reverse holo.
Yeah.
Back. Nothing.
Whoa, this is, ano to, di ba? Holo rare.
Oh, okay.
Ang ganda, oh. Yeah, so that's
Energy.
it. Ang ganda ng artwork na ito. Toxtricity. Ganda, oh. Okay, so let's proceed with the fourth and last booster pack. Okay, guys, so last booster pack. So, makakaulit ba tayo ng hit or miss? Hit or miss? Gagawin natin patalikod para may suspense ulit. Okay?
Oh, lucky that hurts. Lucky that hurts. Lucky. Lucky that kind of hurts.
Print, plop.
Pretty low.
Oh, Sableye. Wow. I like this one. Ang ganda ng artwork. Tingnan mo.
Yeah, I could see.
Yeah, I'm keeping that one for my personal collection. Oh, Charcadet. You like this one?
Yeah. But
Oh my, look at that. Ang
But have it-
Ganda.
I have him in my collection.
Yeah, for sure. And Yamper.
Yamper. Yup.
Yamper's like
Yamper.
Lucky. Mamo
We
Swine.
already got one.
Sacred Charm.
Here. Turn.
Linoon? Is it called Linoon?
I think Steven
Yeah.
looks like a lion.
Oh, now this is a reverse holo again, right? Vileplume.
I,
And Print Plop of reverse holo.
we already got.
We got the
a
first one, right? But just a regular one.
Yeah, we already got a print bomb.
Yeah.
Come on. Ooh.
Genesect. And this is the...
Energy.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so ayan na yun. Sinuwerte sa unang booster pack. At yung mga ibang booster packs, yung last 3 na booster packs, okay naman kasi at least kahit papaano may mga rare, di ba? Holo rare, reverse holo rare. Para sa akin, goods na yun. At ito nga, sobrang saya namin. Gustong gusto ko rin to. Napapad ko sa mga nag-opening sa YouTube na gusto ko din makuha to. At yun, nakuha na. And next time ulit, mag-open tayo or unpack ng Phantasmal Flames. Okay, so parang Roger out muna. And thank you for watching!